3, Chapter 20 of Never Let Me Go, we really see the relationship between Tommy and Kathy progress. Um, I am rooting for Kathy now. Obviously, at this point, we know Kathy is in love with Tommy, and that love goes both ways. Tommy clearly has feelings for Kathy, and now that Ruth has passed, they can act on those feelings, which is in a way morbid, but in another sense, they have each other. I included this little cute clip from the movie. Um, Now, the only problem with Tommy and Kathy's relationship is that Tommy is dying. He is now moving from his third onto his fourth donation. So he really doesn't have those vital organs to keep him alive. But he is still consistent on drawing his little tiny animals, and he wants to ask for a deferral from Madame. So we're going to see that in chapter 21. Um, but it's just interesting to see the relationship between Tommy and Kathy progress here. Um, it and then by the end of the chapter, I can see that Tommy really has this hope that Madame will give this deferral, that things will be good for them, and he wants more time with her, which I think is really sweet.